Hello guys, this is DV. I'm gonna be trying Meltdown, and as you can see, I already completed every level, so I'm gonna try to do this. Start with 7 Seas. I do like 2 separate videos. This level kinda catchy in the beginning. Very cool. Very laggy for me. But it's a very cool level. Really gets me in the pirate mood. And this corner right here. Alright, very laggy for me. Here comes the ship part. There we go. Upcoming a coin is right here. There we go. Like touch a block, I think. Almost died there. Ah, damn it. It's hard to control because of the lag. But still. Okay, let's see. Viking Arena. Never mind about what I said earlier. I'm gonna try them all. Just to show you kind of an idea on how they look like. This wasn't in the trailer. And there's a secret little key right here. You can get it if you're lucky enough to find it randomly just jumping around the area. Or if you find, oh god. If you find this little star that glows, you can probably see it. Sorry. And this level honestly is my second favorite. So the first level is my third, this level is my second, and then what that I missed. The third level is my first favorite. But like the end of this level, the ending is really cool. This part was on the trailer, but not this ship. That place right there where it unlocks a coin. And just put it down a bit. Oh, I just missed another coin. But not really, I'm not really aiming for the coins. There's also another coin upcoming in the ship part right there. And I died there once again. I died there before one time. 1 or 2 times. Laggy. There we go. And that's Viking Arena. Now my favorite one is Airborne Robots. Let's try this. I like how the block goes. The blocks, like at this point, they like glow when I'm moving by them. And the key, this sounds cool. And there's the coin. There's a 3 part. I don't think I'm gonna be able to pass that, but rarely I will. There's a little lag. This lag is annoying. And I have to go a little bit farther. Probably stop somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna stop right there. And